and welcome back to This ADHD Life, another ADHD Awareness Month 2018 video for you. So today's awareness is something that I actually started thinking about last night. As I was going through, it was actually Sunday night as I record this is the Monday. Maybe it'll go out today, maybe this will go out next Thursday, who knows. But the important thing is I was thinking last night, as I was organizing my tasks, as I sometimes like to do on a Sunday evening, I like to see what's been left undone, what's coming up on the week ahead, what can I just get rid of. And to be honest with you, I had a nice big handful of Post-it notes to throw out after the session. But today's awareness is that if you're organizing your tasks, you're not doing your tasks. Now, that doesn't mean you don't need to organize your tasks. It doesn't mean they don't need to be in some sort of a system, something better than Post-it notes. And I have to admit, the past week, I did revert to the Post-it note system for a period of time. You need some sort of an organizer, whether it is a notebook or something online or a hybrid approach. And I'll be talking about those at some point in the future. But if you think that just organizing your tasks is doing them, it's not. And when you have ADHD, it can be really tough to organize tasks. It's really almost impossible for us to break these big projects out into smaller steps. And I say impossible. It's impossible without getting some knowledge on the executive function of planning and breaking projects into smaller steps. So when we start to organize our tasks, it can be as mentally taxing as just doing the tasks. So we come out of it thinking, hey, I got a lot done. Well, all you might have done is actually gotten your to-do list clean. So again, the awareness is organizing your tasks is very important, but it is not actually doing your tasks. I hope you're having a great day wherever and whenever you're watching this. I'll be back later this week with another ADHD awareness tip. Take care for now.